Cars are made from iron, steel, aluminium, plastic and rubber. These days, this apparently indestructible assembly is coated in a cocktail of protective chemicals, sealed against the weather and painted. And yet, left in the open, a modern car can be scrap in less than 20 years, and most cars are beyond economical restoration after a mere 10.
Shake his head. Henry wished he was braver. He wished he could say loudly and cheerfully, "Can I have another piece of toast, Aunt Ag?" Sometimes he imagined scenes in which he stood on the kitchen table and Aunt Agatha cowered beneath him while he demanded a great feast. "I want chicken and chips, followed by lamb."
This unused time capsule would probably be an instant classic merely by surviving. But which cars would be worth storing this way? Are there future classics under our very noses in the streets today that should be bought now and kept forever? We asked some people who ought to know. We asked them which cars they would choose as their shrink-wrapped classic.